The actuality of thought is life. Nature does nothing in vain. To avoid criticism, say nothing, do nothing, be nothing. Educating the mind without. Educating the heart is nitrogen monoxide education at all. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting the bodies. The quality of life is determined by its activities. Life is a gift of nature, but beautiful living is the gift of wisdom.